We're going to look at upgrading from gtd-php 0.7 to 0.8 today. And you'll get version 0.8 from the gtd-php website, gtd-php.com, and select the download link from the front page. Once you've got that downloaded, we can open it up and open up the directory where you've got your current GTD installation on your local web server. At the moment, my current installation, my version 0.7 installation, is here in directory GTD. What I'm going to do is rename this directory to gtd-php, and I'm going to create a new folder GTD for my 0.8 installation, and I'm going to take all of the downloaded files and directories and copy them over into my new directory. Then I'm going to take a copy of this file, which is the template configuration file, config sample php, and I'm going to rename this file to config.php, and this is going to form the basis of our configuration. So I'm going to fire up this file into my editor. There we are, and I'm also going to go back to my gtd-php installation and open the old config file in the editor too. Okay, so here I've got my two config files open side by side, the old one and the new one created from the template. And I'm going to take the database connection settings from the top of the old config file and insert them into my new config file here. So my host is staying the same as localhost. My database name is gtd-php. The username here is MySQL user, and you'll use your own MySQL username there, just as you used your own database name. And I'll copy over the password in as well. And the prefix is a new setting for GTD version 0.8. And the role of this prefix is to allow us to keep separate the gtd-php tables from any other tables that might be sharing this database, and also to have more than one gtd-php installation in any one database, and you just give different installations different prefixes. For now you can keep the default prefix, or you can customize it and give it your own specification. Now I've copied over the changes I need from my old config file to my new config file. I can save the config file and close the editor. And now I'm ready to complete the installation process. So I'll take my browser to my GTD directory, and I'm going to head to the file install.php. Okay, and this is what the upgrade looks for us now. It's identified that we've got a current 0.7 installation, and it's offering us the opportunity to upgrade from that to gtd-php version 0.8, or we could do a new install with the sample database, or we could do a new install with an empty database. And what we're going to do here is we're going to upgrade our 0.7 installation, and that's going to go from an installation with no prefix to our installation with prefix gtd-php as we specified in the config file. So we hit the install button, and the server goes away and starts creating the tables for the new database and importing data over from the old database into the new set of tables. When it's finished, we're ready to go. And here we are. We're now in gtd-php version 0.8. Our data has been carried over from the old database to the new database, and we're ready to start using it.